Good, people? Back again with another Football Shirt Friday video. This one is, I don't know, it's a very nice shirt. It's probably one of the best shirts created by Puma this season. Puma have been on the ball with their shirts. I think they've made the best shirts this season. Just attention to detail, everything. Before I get into it, I just want to make sure that everyone likes, comments, shares, subscribes. I don't have any targets for views or anything, but let's get the views. So it's a Marseille away shirt. So the reason I really like this is because of the details in the shirt. So it's got, different houses, it looks like. What I wanted to know is, I don't know if this actually makes a difference or actually they cared about it, what these little gold things represent. So maybe it's lights at homes or something, and why they chose to do a specific number, because as you can tell, not all the lights are on. Maybe they just did that just to look good or whatever, not sure. But I did notice there's somebody there. I don't know if they meant to do that or not, but it is what it is. So the front just says, I'm not going to try to pronounce that because I'm going to ruin that. It's got the embroidered logo, Marseille, Puma logo on the chest, embroidered, we love embroidery, an embroidered shoulder logo, and another one. Nice clean Uber Eats. I do know my friends will roast me for this one because I'm always eating. So I don't have anything against Uber Eats. It's not Chevrolet. I've used that joke for the final time. And the back is plain. It is a different material. Well, it feels like a different material. Yes, it is a kind of different material. So this isn't like a screen print type thing, or I don't know what to call it. It's a little print. This is more like a shorts material. So you can tell there's a bit of a difference between the two. I'm not entirely sure, so don't take my word for it. Also on the shoulders, on the top of the shoulder, all the way at the back, it's all the same material. And this, which I really like, it says Marseille on the collar. Overall, I think this is one of the best shirts. If it is within your means and you do like it, please do purchase. Not please do purchase, I don't know why I'm promoting it. Purchase if you like it. I think it's a very nice shirt, very good details. The color pops. Could wear with blue jeans. It's a bit of a joke between my friends that I always say to wear football shirts with grey jeans and black jeans and white Air Forces. So this one can actually be worn with blue jeans. So there you go. I don't really have too much else to say about this shirt, other than it is very, very nice. I do have a couple of Puma shirts from this season, so notable mention for the Dortmund away, the black one with the graffiti spray paint design, amazing, and this one as well. So I will definitely be doing some more research into who this fella is and what the lights are and the whole inspiration behind this shirt, because it would be very interesting to know. Unfortunately, I haven't done that research for this video. Reason being, I don't want it to be not organic. This is my video is always organic, so anything I do say, I already know. So yeah, check out my other Football Shirt Friday videos and make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, people.